Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Kia flip key battery. The battery you will need is a CR2032. You can click on the link below to get it online. This key is for, so far it's a brand new, but 2020 Forte, Sol and more. As long as it looks like this, show you how to replace it. So first thing we do, we have to open the key and then we have to pull the cover back to expose the battery, and we do that gently, and you pull the cover. Now we take the screws off, 4 of them. I will do it, and 4, okay, make sure you don't lose them. Now we take the cover, and as you can see, CR2032. Now we have to take the battery out, so I do it. There is a slot right here. Okay, let me show you again how to do it. So right here, okay, that's the easiest spot that I found. Gently with a flathead, and it comes out. You can see it right here. Okay, again, the electronics and the battery. Now to put it in, you first put the bottom part right here, okay, and you slide and press. Very easy. Now you have to put the cover back. Okay, now that we have the 4 screws, all we have to do is to put the cover back, okay? And as you can see, we're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. That's it. Let us know what you think. Thank you.